9 Keto Diet Snacks that will help you lose weight. Number 1. Fat balls. Fat balls might look a lot like energy balls, but they're actually high in fat from nut butters and seeds and low in sugars like honey. The result, they are both energizing and super filling. They're a helpful source of healthy fats and they contain some protein, which is good for keeping you fueled, Cording says. Plus, they are incredibly easy to make and eat on the go. Number 2. String cheese. This one is easy enough to do, just keep a bunch in your fridge at home or work and grab one when you're ready to nosh. String cheese has a nice mix of protein and fat, which can definitely help you fill up and stay full, Cording says. Number 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Just like string cheese, a hard-boiled egg provides some protein and fat, while also being pretty low-cal, Warren says. Eat a couple for a snack or pair one with something else on this list. Number 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in fat, have a moderate amount of protein, and are low-carb, making them a solid snack for keto fans, Warren says. Plus, they're heart-healthy. Stick to a serving size of 1 handful, otherwise the calories can add up fast. Number 5. Steak bites. Yes, steak, or, to be more specific, steak bites, can totally be an awesome keto diet snack, Warren says. Here's how to make them. Chop up sirloin steak, season with soy sauce, Worcester sauce, and garlic, and saute. Then, put them in the fridge until you're ready to eat them. Number 6. Sunflower seeds. These little seeds are an awesome source of healthy fat and fiber, along with a little punch of protein, Cording says. They're also super easy to eat on the go, just stash them in your bag and whip them out when you're hungry. Number 7. Parmesan zucchini tots. Zucchini is a great vegetable for keto fans because it's low in carbs but has a lot of volume, Cording says. Try them out. Shred 2 zucchinis, discard extra moisture, mix with 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, and seasoning of choice to taste. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. Avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, along with plenty of other minerals like fiber and potassium, and they're keto-friendly, too. Avocados are one of my favorite keto diet snacks, Cording says. She recommends eating 1/2 of an avocado when it's snack time. Or, if you don't want to have to deal with stashing half of an avocado in your fridge, Cording recommends looking out for gator eggs. They are tiny avocados that each count as a single serving. Number 9. Sandwich on a stick. Missing sandwiches? Try serving them on a stick. Spear a small piece of ham or chicken, a little cube of cheese, and some tomato or bell pepper, and you've got a bite-sized sandwich. This can give you some protein and fat with very few carbs, Cording says. 1 or 2 toothpicks should tide you over between meals. They also make a cute appetizer to serve at keto-friendly parties.